What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can create AI images for free. Well, the process is very simple. For that, you just have to come to your Google and search for Microsoft AI or Microsoft Copilot. So I'm just going to search for Microsoft and then simply add Copilot to it. Microsoft Copilot is actually a free AI. Here I'm going to click on this, search Microsoft Copilot, your AI comparison, and it will open up the Copilot AI right here. Now, to create the free AI, you just have to log into your Microsoft account. Once you are logged in, you just have to tell them whatever you want to create. Suppose we want to create a gaming setup idea. So I'm just going to search for create me an image of, because this is also not just, a video creator or not just a photo creator. This is also just, a text chat as well. So if you type something without create me an image, it will just tell you in the text. So I'm just going to search for create me an image of gaming PC setups. So I'm just going to search for that and it will take some time to load. And there you go. Then it will start to create your images, whatever you are imagining. You will be able to modify it. You will be able to change the design for it. This is a free tool for now, and you'll be able to get it for free. However, if I told you before that it makes videos, it actually does not. No AI does the perfect job in making the videos currently. However, there is a software called as Sora AI, which might be available soon. Now, as you can see, this is the image that AI just created. You will be able to change the design and all the things right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.